Polymers and its classification. In part 1 video, we will discuss about polymers introduction and its classification. In part 2 video, we will discuss about polymers properties, advantages and application of polymers in formulation of controlled drug delivery systems. Polymer science has been the backbone for the development of new formulations for the past few years in pharmaceutical science. Not only in the pharmaceutical industry, polymers are used in almost every area of modern living: plastic, textiles, fibers, rubber, nylon, fiberglass, etc. The term polymer in Greek word poly means many, mer means units or parts. A polymer is a large molecules or huge molecules made by linking together many small units called monomers. The each small molecules are known as monomers. Mono means one, mers means unit or parts. These monomers are grouped together or linked together to form a chain-like structure. This large or huge chain is known as polymer. The process of converting monomer into polymer is known as polymerization. Polymer with two different monomers is known as homopolymer and copolymer. Homopolymer. These are the polymers that are formed from one type of monomers, so that the molecule consists of chemically uniform compounds. Example, polyethylene. Copolymer or heteropolymer. These are the polymers that are formed from one or more monomers, known as copolymer or heteropolymer. Example, nylon. Structure of polymers. Most of the polymers around us are made up of a hydrocarbon backbone. A hydrocarbon backbone being a long chain of linked carbon and hydrogen atoms, possible due to the tetravalent nature of carbon. A few examples of a hydrocarbon backbone polymer are polypropylene, polystyrene. There are polymers which instead of carbon have other elements in its backbone. For example, nylon, which contains nitrogen atom in the repeated unit backbone. Classification of polymers. Polymers are classified into four types. First, based on origin of source. It is subdivided into natural polymer, semi-synthetic polymer, synthetic polymer. Second, based on structure. It is subclassified into linear polymer, branched polymer, cross-linked polymer. Third, based on molecular force. It is subdivided into elastomer, fibers, thermoplastic polymer, thermosetting polymer. Fourth, based on polymerization. It is subdivided into addition polymer and condensation polymer. The first classification of polymers is based on their source of origin. Natural polymers are polymers which occur in nature and are existing in natural source like plants and animals. Semi-synthetic polymers are polymers obtained by making modification in natural polymers artificially in a lab. Synthetic polymers or polymers which human can artificially create or synthesized in lab. These are commercially produced by industries for human necessities. Natural polymers. They represent truly renewable source, and being natural they have no adverse impact on humans or environmental health. Example: collagen, albumin, gelatin, starch, rubber. Second, semi-synthetic polymer examples are cellulose nitrate, cellulose acetate. Third, synthetic polymers example are polyester, polylactic acid, polyglutamic acid, cellulose derivative, methyl cellulose, ethyl cellulose, hydroxypropyl cellulose. Classification based on structure of polymers. Linear polymer. The monomers in these are linked together to form a long chain. The polymer have high melting point and are of higher density. A common example of this is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Branched polymer. As the title describes, the structure of these polymers is like branches originating at a random point from a single linear chain. Monomers join together to form a long straight chain with some branched chains of different lengths. As a result of these branches, the polymers are not closely packed together. They are of low density having low melting point. Example of branched polymer or low density polythenes. Third classification, cross-linked polymer or network polymer. In this type of polymer, monomers are linked together to form a three-dimensional network. The monomers contain strong covalent bond as they are composed of bifunctional and trifunctional in nature. The polymers are brittle and hard. Example: bakelite and melamine. Classification based on molecular force. First, elastomer. These are rubber-like solids, weak interaction force are present. Elastomers are rubbery polymers that can be stretched easily when stress is applied and return to their original shape when the applied stress is released. For example, rubber. Second, fibers. Fibers are strong, tough, high tensile strength, and a strong force of interaction are present. For example, nylon. Third, thermoplastic polymers. Molecules in a thermoplastic are held together by relatively weak intermolecular forces so that the material softens when exposed to heat and then returns to its original condition when cooled. Thermoplastic have a wide range of applications because they can be formed and reformed in so many shapes. For example, polyvinyl chloride. Fourth, thermosetting polymers. These polymers greatly improve the material's mechanical properties. It provides enhanced chemical and heat resistant. They cannot be reshaped by heating. For example, phenolic, epoxides, and silicons. Classification based on polymerization. First, addition polymerization. This is a chemical reaction that occurs by addition of a monomer to a double bond between two carbon atoms. Example: polyethylene. Repeated addition of ethylene in this way will give rise to a long chain polymer called polyethylene. Second, condensation polymerization. In this type, small molecule like water, amide, are eliminated during polymerization. This is a polymerization reaction in which two or more molecules combining, resulting in elimination of water or other simple molecules. Example, nylon and polyesters. Biodegradable polymers. The polymers which are degrade and decay by microorganisms like bacteria are known as biodegradable polymers. These type of polymers are used in surgical bands, capsule coatings and in surgery. For example, polyhydroxy butyrate coval, PHBV.